Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Steps to English. In today's session, we are going to learn how to introduce ourselves in different situations. Knowing how to introduce yourself properly in various settings is important to make a great first impression. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, at a job interview, or at a social gathering. Let's go through the best ways to introduce yourself. Let's get started. Casual introduction. Let's begin with casual introductions. These happen when you're meeting someone informally. Maybe you're at a social event, at a cafe, or meeting a friend's friend for the first time. Here is how to introduce yourself in a casual meeting. Hi, I am Rehna. Nice to meet you. How's your day going? In casual introductions, it's common to start with Hi, I am Rehna. You can also add something friendly like Nice to meet you or ask How's your day going? This keeps things light and conversational. Remember, when you're introducing yourself casually, it's okay to be relaxed and friendly. You can also share a little about yourself, like your hobbies or what brought you to the event. Example: Hi, I'm Rehana. I love hiking. What about you? This way, you're also giving the other person a chance to talk about themselves. Formal introduction. Now, let's move on to formal situations like business meetings, job interviews, or meeting someone important. In these cases, you should be more professional and respectful. Here is how to introduce yourself formally. Good morning, my name is Rehana and I am delighted to be here today. I am looking forward to discussing. Just mention the whatever topic. In a formal situation, you should greet the person with good morning or good afternoon and then say, My name is Rehana. Adding a polite phrase like, I am delighted to be here or I am excited to meet you shows that you are respectful and eager to be there. Example: for a job interview, Good afternoon. My name is Rehana. Thank you for the opportunity to interview for the position of job title. Hello, my name is Rehana. I specialize in software engineering and I am excited to work with you on this project. Formal introductions are all about showing respect, professionalism, and a clear sense of purpose. Self-introduction in a group. Introducing yourself in a group setting like a classroom, seminar, or meeting requires a slightly different approach. Here, you want to be clear and concise while still sounding confident. Here is how to introduce yourself in a group. Hello everyone, my name is Rehana. I am looking forward to working with you all. I have experience in mention your area of expertise and I am excited to share ideas. In a group introduction, start with a friendly hello everyone or hi team and then share your name and a little about yourself. If it's a work or school group, you can mention your role or experience. For example, I'm a marketing professional or I'm a student majoring in biology. This helps others understand your background and also makes the conversation flow smoothly. You might also add something like, I'm looking forward to collaborating, or I hope we all learn from each other. Self introduction at a networking event. At a networking event, you might need to introduce yourself to many people. You will want to keep it short and focused on building connections. Hello, I'm Rihanna. I work in, mention your industry. What do you do? At a networking event, your introduction should be brief but informative. Include your name, your profession, and then ask about the other person's profession. This helps start a conversation. For example, hi, I'm Rehana, a software developer. What about you? This is direct and opens the door for further discussion. Introducing yourself in a job interview. In a job interview, how you introduce yourself can really set the tone for the conversation. Here, your introduction should focus on your professional background. Good morning, I'm Rehana. I've been working in software industry for 5 years and I'm very excited about this opportunity because of just mention the reason. Introduce yourself by stating your name, professional background and why you are interested in the position. This shows that you are prepared and motivated. Example, my name is Rehana and have been working as a graphic designer for the past 5 years. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my design skills to your company. Asking for clarification. What if you don't catch someone's name or they speak too fast? Don't worry. Asking for clarification is totally fine. Sorry, could you please repeat that? I didn't catch your name. If you don't understand someone's name or if they speak too fast, politely ask them to repeat it. You can say, could you please repeat that? Or, I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch your name. Everyone has moments like this, and asking for clarification is completely okay. It shows that you want to get their name right. So, there you have it, different ways to introduce yourself in various situations. Whether you are in a casual setting, a job interview, or a group meeting, the key is to be clear, confident, and polite. Thanks for watching. Remember to practice these introductions and soon you will feel comfortable in any situation. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you next time. Bye.